Alright, here we go. Box number 2 of the TradingCardZone.com football break. Next up is a box of 2014 Panini Playbook. Yeah, this one won't take long here. One little old pack. One little old pack. Hopefully it's loaded. Alright, I'll set it down here. Oh my gosh. You guys can't read this name, but let me pull this to the side just for a second and look at it. Oh, holy smokes. Who's got the Dolphins? I should have pulled up a list. I always do this. I get in a hurry to set things up. I'm running behind. Oh, Brian. Bingo. You just scored, dude. You scored big. Number 23 out of 50. Dan Marino, on-card auto, with the Hall of Fame logo on it. That'll fit your PC perfectly. That's one of the nicer hits I've pulled. Dan Marino, on-card auto. That is nice. Set that on a decoy. And a booklet. Our booklet is numbered 6 out of 10. Marquise Lee and Paul Richardson. So that one will be random. Look at those patches. That Seahawks piece is nice looking. Marquise Lee and Paul Richardson. So that's the 2 hits. Marquise Lee, Paul Richardson, dual patch booklet. Numbered out of 10. And probably what's going to be the hit of the break. I would like to say it's not, but that's going to be tough to beat. Dan Marino, auto, numbered out of 50.